3 by 6 eye-shaped rhinestones. Insert a 0.3 mm wire into the end of the clasp. Use silver bead of size 3 to pull the clasps back. Now watch the steps. Red rhinestone on the left side, and the eye shape is on right side. Cross with spacer bead. Now switch the sides of the rhinestones. Cross with the spacer bead. Continue to insert the bead in the same order. You can add a bead that fits the length you like. After the centerpiece, add spacer bead. Keep repeating the same steps. At the end of the bracelet, insert the eye to the pressure crimp bead first. Then insert another bead to the button. Then insert the eye to the pressure crimp bead. Pull it nicely. Pressure the crimp bead. And it's done. If you like my video, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.